Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this transition that you see on the screen right now. Start out with a cross dissolve, right click on it, convert to fusion cross dissolve. Then you'll have a fusion icon up here. Click on it to go to fusion. Delete the cross dissolve, and we go to one viewer for this. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Select the media in one, get a transform. Right click on center, modify width, XY path. Then go to the modifier, right click on the X, remove XY path. Same thing on the Y, right click, remove XY path. Then right click on the X, modify width, anim curves. Then go to the curve, change it to easing, and sine, and sine. These will be included in the macro, so you have these options available. Change the offset to 0.5. Now if you scrub your playhead, it should go from the center to the edge. Select the media in 2, get another transform, merge them together, then right click on the merge, swap inputs. Select the transform 2, right click on center, modify width, XY path. Go to the modifier, again right click on the X, remove XY path. Same thing on the Y. And then right click on the X, modify width, anim curves. Again, we'll set the curve to easing, and sine, and sine. We will be connecting these together shortly. And on the offset, go minus 0.5. Now when you scrub the playhead, you should have what I have. Okay, with the transform 2 selected, shift space and drop shadow. And shift space, duplicate. And select the duplicate node. Change the copies to 4. And then right click on the center, modify width, XY path. Go to the modifier, same thing, right click on the X, remove XY path. Same thing on the Y. And then right click on the X again, modify width, anim curves. On the offset, go minus 0.5. And now when you scrub the playhead, you should have what I have going on here. Okay, now select transform 1. Make sure you're on the modifier and pin it. Select transform 2. Make sure you're on the modifier and pin it. We want to put the expressions on transform 2 because we want to use transform 1 for the macro, for the controls. Okay, it didn't pin the first time. This is transform 2. You see it right here. Right click on the curve, expression, right click here, expression, same thing here, expression. Now grab the pick whip on each one, take it down to the matching one on transform 1, and let go. Unpin it. Make sure you got the correct one. Number 2 should have all the expressions. Okay, now we'll make a macro. Click away, Make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down and select these in the order that I do. Don't include any of the medias. Then right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro, give it a name, and follow along. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates, Edit, Transitions. And this is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. Hit Save and we'll go look for it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. And there it is. If you click on it, go to the inspector, see your options. And I'll change the easing. You want to make both the same though, the ease in and ease out. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.